Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting a directional microphone and positioning it close to the source. This reduces room noise before you record. Once done, set the preamp gain so peaks sit around -6 dB. That prevents clipping and preserves headroom for processing. Make sure the room is quiet. Switch off noisy appliances, silence phones, and add absorption like blankets or foam to key reflections. These immediate steps cut captured noise and give you more flexibility in later gating and filtering. Next, refine your capture. Mount the mic on a shock mount and use a pop filter to prevent handling sounds and plosives. You want clean dialogue lines. Record 30 to 60 seconds of room tone at the same level in settings. This is essential for noise reduction algorithms that create a noise profile. While recording, engage a gentle high-pass filter around 60 to 120 Hz to remove low-frequency rumble. Doing this now saves heavy EQ surgery later and preserves clarity. Finally, you perform cleanup. Run a spectral or profile-based denoiser using the room tone you recorded and set reduction conservatively so transients stay natural. Overdoing it creates artifacts. Once denoised, add a light de-esser to tame sibilance and gentle compression, fast attack, medium release, to even levels. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce the denoiser intensity and switch to surgical narrow EQ cuts around problem bands. That single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.